Welcome back to the Cash Chapter, where we decode wealth for the digital age. If you've ever wondered how to actually make money with crypto in 2025 without falling for hype or risking your life savings, this video is for you. Because the truth is, crypto has changed. It's no longer about blindly holding coins and hoping they moon. In 2025, making money with crypto requires a smart strategic approach, one backed by trends, data, and real-world use cases. So whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000, stick around, because we're diving deep into the best ways to earn, grow, and protect your wealth with crypto this year. In 2025, regulation isn't the enemy, it's your entry point. With the SEC approving multiple Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, institutional money is flooding in, bringing stability and credibility. This influx of traditional capital is creating new earning paths like staking through regulated platforms, crypto index funds, and even tokenized real estate. For beginners, this means fewer scams, better protection, and easier access. Platforms like Fidelity Crypto and Coinbase Institutional now offer beginner-friendly ways to invest in blue-chip cryptocurrencies legally and safely. The key takeaway? You don't need to be a tech genius to make money with crypto anymore. You just need a plan and the right entry points. Let's talk about real strategies that are working in 2025. First up, staking and yield farming. With Ethereum 2.0 now fully operational, you can stake ETH and earn around 4 to 6% annually, passively. Other Layer 1 coins like Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche also offer solid staking rewards. Next, there's liquidity provisioning. Platforms like Uniswap and Curve let you earn trading fees by supplying tokens to decentralized exchanges. Then there's crypto lending. You can lend your stablecoins like USDC or USDT on platforms such as Aave or Compound and earn 3 to 8% APR with much lower volatility than traditional tokens. These aren't moonshot gains, but they're reliable, scalable, and compoundable, ideal for anyone serious about building long-term wealth. Now here's the hidden gem for conservative investors: stablecoin income strategies. In a volatile market, earning on stablecoins like USDC, USDT, or even tokenized dollars from platforms like Circle or Paxos can be a game changer. In 2025, DeFi protocols, centralized platforms, and even crypto savings accounts offer interest rates between 4% to 10% on stablecoin deposits. Imagine earning that on dollars that don't fluctuate in value. It's like having a high-yield savings account on steroids. You can use platforms like Nexo, Binance Earn, or even newer regulated DeFi platforms that auto-compound your returns. For beginners, this is one of the safest ways to dip into crypto while still generating meaningful passive income. If you missed the early crypto boom, don't worry. Airdrops are the new gold rush, especially on Layer 2 networks. In 2025, projects built on Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and ZK Sync are handing out free tokens to early users. All you have to do is interact with their platforms, bridge funds, swap tokens, mint NFTs, or stake coins, and you could qualify for an airdrop worth hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Just last year, users who used Arbitrum early received $1,500 to $10,000 in free tokens. These are real opportunities for beginners to get in without any upfront investment. Be active, explore new dApps, and stay ahead of launches. Because in crypto, being early still pays. You might be wondering, what about crypto gaming and play to earn? Aren't those dead? Not quite. In 2025, play to earn has evolved into play and own. Games like Illuvium, Big Time, and Star Atlas are combining high-quality gameplay with NFT ownership and token rewards. Instead of mindlessly grinding for coins, players now own in-game assets that can be sold or traded for real money. The top earners in Web3 gaming today aren't just gamers. They're asset managers, flipping rare skins, virtual land, or game tokens on platforms like OpenSea or Magic Eden. And here's the best part. Some games offer scholarship models, so you can start with zero investment by teaming up with investors who lend their in-game assets. This is an excellent side hustle if you enjoy gaming and want to build digital wealth at the same time. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, Crypto ETFs and tokenized assets have made investing in crypto feel like investing in the stock market. With the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, you can now invest through platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or BlackRock. No need to manage wallets or worry about private keys. Even more exciting? In 2025, we're seeing the rise of tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, stocks, bonds, real estate, all represented on the blockchain. Platforms like Ondo Finance and Matrix Doc let you earn yield on tokenized U.S. treasuries with full regulatory backing. It's crypto meets Wall Street, and it's opening the door to a wave of smart, diversified investing without extreme volatility. If you're looking to mix innovation with stability, this is where to start. Now let's address a key aspect of making money with crypto in 2025. Security. Crypto's potential for high rewards is matched by equally high risks, especially for beginners. The number one rule here is never risk more than you can afford to lose. This is crucial whether you're staking, lending, or playing the NFT game. To mitigate risks, always use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all platforms. For active traders, consider using platforms with built-in risk management tools, such as stop losses and margin controls. Additionally, diversifying your investments between stablecoins, DeFi, ETFs, and traditional stocks or bonds can help balance volatility. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about informed, secure, and diversified investing that stands the test of time. Protecting your assets should always be your top priority. Looking ahead, the future of crypto in 2025 and beyond is bright, but it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to the shifting landscape. Technologies like NFTs, DeFi, and Web3 continue to evolve. And with the advent of Ethereum's sharding, the scalability and speed of blockchain applications will skyrocket. This means faster transactions, lower fees, and greater interoperability across different blockchain networks. But beyond tech, watch for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. While some see them as a challenge to decentralized crypto, they will likely work in tandem, enabling more seamless crypto integration into global finance. There are also huge developments happening in privacy coins and zero-knowledge proofs, which promise a more secure, anonymous crypto experience. The key here? Be curious, stay ahead of trends, and always look for the next innovation that could change the way you earn money with crypto. At the end of the day, making money with crypto in 2025 is about playing the long game. Start small, focus on the fundamentals, and build your knowledge and portfolio over time. Whether you're staking stablecoins, getting into DeFi, or investing in tokenized assets, there's no single right way to earn crypto. It's all about finding what works for your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the best crypto investors are those who stay informed, disciplined, and patient. Don't fall for the quick fixes or hype. Build your wealth sustainably. By understanding the opportunities, embracing the risks responsibly, and continuing to educate yourself, you'll position yourself for long-term success in the evolving world of cryptocurrency. Now that you've learned the ropes of how to make money with crypto in 2025, it's time to take action. Whether you're just starting or you're already in the crypto game, there's no better moment than now to dive deeper into the opportunities we've discussed. Research, experiment, and always keep learning. The crypto world moves fast, but with the right strategy, it can provide tremendous rewards. Start small, grow steadily, and watch your wealth multiply over time. Don't just wait for the future of crypto to unfold. Be a part of it. The potential is endless, and with a smart, informed approach, the future can be yours for the taking. Stay motivated, stay smart, and get ready to make your mark in the world of crypto. Before you go, if you found this video helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of crypto, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're constantly diving into new strategies, trends, and insights that could help you grow your crypto portfolio and achieve financial freedom. Drop a comment below letting me know which crypto strategy you're most excited to try, or share your own experiences in the space. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, share it with friends and family who might be interested in getting started with crypto. The more we learn, the more we grow. Together, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.